Winter crops are often misunderstood. Many people think winter crops grow because it is very cold. That is not true. Winter crops grow well because temperatures are mild and stable. They avoid heat stress that damages crops in summer. That is why understanding seasons matters before planting anything. Winter crops are usually grown when daytime temperatures are comfortable and nights are cool, not freezing. If temperatures drop too low or suddenly rise, winter crops can still suffer stress. Now let us understand which crops are commonly grown in winter. Crops like wheat, mustard, peas, spinach, fenugreek, carrots, and radish are considered winter crops in India. These crops prefer cooler weather and steady sunlight. They grow slowly but steadily, which helps them develop stronger roots and better quality. One common mistake beginners make is treating winter crops like summer crops. In winter, water evaporates slowly. Cold soil stays wet for longer periods. If you overwater winter crops, roots do not get enough air and diseases increase. That is why winter crops usually need less water, but more observation. Another mistake is ignoring sunlight. Winter sun is softer, but crops still need enough light to grow properly. Planting in shaded areas can slow growth and weaken plants. Spacing also matters in winter. Because growth is slower, overcrowding reduces airflow and increases disease risk. Winter farming is not about speed. It is about balance. Balanced watering. Balanced sunlight. Balanced expectations. Not every winter crop suits every place. Some crops grow better in open fields. Some do well in small plots or home gardens. Choosing crops should depend on your climate, your space, and how much time you can observe plants daily. Winter crops reward patience. They do not give instant results, but they are more forgiving when managed carefully. If you understand winter conditions and adjust your habits, winter crops become easier to manage. This channel focuses on explaining agriculture clearly, without hype or shortcuts. If you want to understand farming step by step, you are in the right place.